Let's remember what we have covered in our previous video. We discussed about subjects and predicates. I missed telling you the definition of object and what is the difference between object and predicate. So we will look here what subject, object and predicate is all about. Every complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject tells us what or who the sentence is about, and predicate tells us what the subject does. And what is an object then? Instead of performing any action, they receive the action. They are followed by verb and they function as noun or pronouns. Let's look into the example to make things clear. Compare the example with the definition of subject, predicate and object. Sam ate a cream cake. Here, who the sentence is about? It is about Sam. So, Sam is the subject here. And what Sam did? Sam ate the cream cake. So, ate the cream cake is a predicate here. And what Sam ate? It is the cake. So, cake is an object here. Let's look into another example to make things even more clear. Rajesh loves playing badminton regularly. Here, what the sentence is about? It is about Rajesh. So, Rajesh is a subject here. And what Rajesh plays regularly? Rajesh plays badminton regularly. So, plays badminton regularly is a predicate here. And what is the thing at the receiving end here? Or what Rajesh uses for playing? It is the badminton. So, badminton is object here. I hope you are clear now about subject, predicate and objects. Now let's look into pronouns. So what exactly is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in the sentence and are used to avoid repeating noun again and again. Pronouns can do everything that nouns can do. They can be subject or object. Please remember these three things about pronouns and you won't have difficulty in remembering them. Let's look into various pronouns we use generally. Examples of pronouns are I, me, you, yours, he, she, him, her, it, we, you, they. Now let's look into the sentence examples for few of them. I love playing with you. Here, I and you are pronouns. We enjoy hearing her song. Here, we and her are pronouns. We have already covered all this in our previous video.